Joshua from the Spice Dudes, and welcome back to the channel. So before we start this video, I just want you all to greet you a happy new year. I know 2020 is tough, but let's try to face this year much wiser and stronger. For sure you already saw in the title and the reason why you click this video. Maybe you find me cute, or probably you just want Korean foods. Probably the second one. For those who are wondering where I'm getting my snacks from, I think I already mentioned that in my previous video. If you're staying in the Philippines, there's a local store in Manila called Tamina Korea Culture Shop. It's just in front of UST and actually just right around the corner in where I'm living right now. They have a lot of Korean goods from snacks, cosmetics, and of course K-pop merchandise like albums, season greetings, photo cards, and light sticks. Okay, so that being said, I'll show you around the store and pick up the snacks. So let's go. Okay, so for our first snack, Matdongsan. Mat translates to taste and Dongsan, small mountain. I don't know why taste small mountain. Maybe it's referring to the amount of taste or flavor it has. I don't know. Comment down below if you know. So this is a crunchy peanut snack and they said it's super popular in Korea. Well, I can see it. I mean, look at the packaging, right? It looks like a present or gift with its ruffles at top. It's cool. But of course, the most important part is the taste. So let's open it up. Okay, so let's remove this gold wire thingy. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what is that. Let's spread this out. And there's a red tag here. You can just peel it from there and pull upwards. There we go. Okay, so Matdongsan, everybody. So it looks more like a pretzel to me than a cookie. It looks sticky, but it's not, which is good. The cookie is coated with syrup and nuts. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So it smells like sweet bread. that is baked, which is cool, man. It smells like the bakery. So by the way, I love cookies, so I'm very excited for this. So let's try it. Damn, that's good, man. It's super crunchy. It's sweet. You can't go wrong with this, man. For sure you can hear the crunch. So if you're a Filipino, for sure you're familiar with Pilipit. It's similar to this. So for sure, if you like that, you're gonna love this. For sure. I can see now why this is so popular. So yeah, so 11 out of 10, we'll buy this again for sure. I will rate this 8 out of 10. Because it's good and all, but nothing special or unique about it. The taste is very familiar and simple, but it's good. Snack number 2, banana cake.
He's gonna burn you on the goalkeeper side. Curls it.
Not that banana cake. This one. So, super love the packaging. It's very cute, colorful. For sure, the kids love this. I mean, look at it. It's literally a banana cake in a soccer ball. What's not to love, man? So let's open it up. Smells good, sweet, and of course, smells like a banana. Look at the size of that. It looks like a cheese puff, but banana flavor. But it shapes like a banana too. I don't know about this, man. To be honest, I'm a little scared trying this. Here goes nothing. Okay, before I say anything, just want to apologize for doubting you, man, because it tastes so damn delicious, man. I mean, I'm not kidding. I'm not overreacting. Tastes good. I mean, literally tastes good, man. So like I said, it has a nice crunch to it. It's sweet, but not too sweet. And there's an aftertaste of the banana flavor. And it's not artificial. It doesn't taste artificial at all, man. That's why it's good. Okay, so that being said, I will give this 9 out of 10. It's unique and super fun to eat. Of course, we need something to drink to push all the snacks that we just ate. That being said, we're going to drink a milk. And it's not just a milk. It's quite different and unique to some. It is to me. That's why today we're going to try
banana.
Yes, Una, banana juice. I tried chocolate milk, strawberry milk, but never banana. But it says here, Korea's favorite, so I'm feeling Korean. So maybe I'll like it too. So before we open it, I just want to show you the box. This is how it looks like. I'm not really sure about this, man, but I like the banana cake, so maybe I'll give this a chance, man. Actually, I want to see what I'm drinking, so maybe I'll pour it in a glass. This is the only glass that I have that is transparent, so it's color yellow. Looks like the inside of the banana. It's light yellow. I'm not sure if you can see it. But yeah, it's light yellow. It's weird, but again, we'll give this a chance. You know what? I'm just stalling. Let's try it. Cheers. Let's smell it first. Oh yeah, it smells like a banana. It looks like a melted banana ice cream. So I guess that's explained what it tasted. Well, I really love it. It's like you're drinking melted banana smoothie in a good way. So I rate this, sorry, not this one. I rate this 9.5 out of 10. Okay, so that's all the snacks that we have for today. So I highly recommend that you try the snacks for yourself. Okay, so again, so check out the store. I'll put their details below. So leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new, and as always, keep it spicy.